In this video, we're going to create an expert advisor in MQL5 that focuses on managing and displaying information about existing positions for a specific currency pair. This script is particularly useful for traders who want to monitor their trade's performance in real time. Opening MetaEditor and setting up the code. First, let's start MetaEditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. Once you're in MetaEditor, create a new expert advisor file and name it according to your preference. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the OnTick function, which is the heart of our expert advisor. At the end of the OnTick function, there is a way to open a test position if you have no open positions to analyze, so remove that when you use this on a real account. The OnTick function is executed every time there's a new tick or price change in the market. This is where we'll add our code to monitor the positions. So here is what we are doing. Position select. This function checks if there are any open positions for the specified currency pair. Position select is used to select the current symbol's positions. If it returns true, it indicates that there are open positions for the currency pair represented by symbol. Positions total. This returns the total number of open positions. It is used in the for loop to iterate through all open positions. Position get ticket. Purpose retrieves the ticket number of the position. Usage oolong position ticket equals position get ticket. This line gets the unique ticket number of the position at index I in the loop. Position get string. This one retrieves the symbol of the position. String position symbol. This line fetches the currency pair of the current position. Position get double. This function is used to get various double type properties of a position, and it is used multiple times to retrieve different properties. Position price open gets the opening price of the position. Position price current fetches the current price of the position. Position profit equals position get double retrieves the current profit of the position. Position swap equals position get double gets the swap of the position. Position net profit equals position profit plus position swap calculates the net profit by adding the position's profit and swap. Comment function. The comment function displays information on the chart. This function is used to output the details of each position on the chart. It includes information like position number, ticket, symbol, profit, swap, net profit, open price, and current price. The code first checks if there are open positions for the current symbol. If positions exist, it iterates through each position using a for loop. For each position, it retrieves and calculates essential details like ticket number, symbol, open price, current price, profit, swap, and net profit. These details are then displayed on the chart for the trader to see. Now it is time for compiling and testing the code. After writing the code, press F7 to compile it. If there are no errors, go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. In MetaTrader, press Ctrl+R to start the strategy tester, select your expert advisor, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. You should see the details of each position displayed on the chart. In this video, you've learned how to create an expert advisor that monitors and displays detailed information about each open position for a specific currency pair. This tool is helpful for keeping a close eye on your trades and making informed decisions based on real-time data. If this was too fast for you or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you might want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. And if you're already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, feel free to send us an email. Today, you've coded an expert advisor with a few lines of MQL5 code that helps in real-time trade management and monitoring. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.